Morning all. Hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see the screen which I'm sharing. Please
Yes,
confirm from
yes.
your end on the chart at least. Everyone is able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So let me share the hope everyone is joined in the previous demos, right? So or else any new person came today. Are you guys joined in the previous two demo sessions, right?
Yes.
Fine, cool. So I already explained about the syllabus, what we are going to see in the course. Total, these are the modules what we have. Total seven modules we have. Out of seven, first we are going to discuss about the manual testing syllabus. Okay. So already in the previous demos we discussed about the roles and responsibilities of the tester, and later I have discussed about the software development lifecycle. Today, let's start from our first topic onwards. Actual classes starts from today. Today we are going to see on first 3 to 4 classes I will take slowly because you guys are new to the course. You should be addicted to the my teaching, and you should able to understand what I am telling. So that's the reason first I am taking the classes slowly. Then we can speed up the classes after the fourth class onwards. Okay, first 4 classes we can take slowly. We can take 30-minute session, not 60-minute session. Today also we will take 30-minute session. And the second topic we are going to discuss Wednesday and Thursday. And third topic we can discuss on the Friday. From fourth topic is nothing but next Monday onwards we are going to take a speed sessions. Okay, the reason why I'm taking first sessions are slowly are nothing but because if I take slowly, then you guys will understand very easily, and then you guys are habituated to my classes what I'm teaching within the 3 to 4 days. Then then even if I increase the speed of teaching, then you guys can easily catch up. Okay, that's the reason why I'm taking only 30-minute session. Today we are going to discuss the introduction. Introduction is nothing but, let me open a document. You guys hope few guys are already joined the course and already paid the fees, and then your institute is created a group, right? So in that group I am going to share a material today. Don't worry, the people who is not yet joined, after you join I will share the material again. Okay, don't worry about it. Let me open the document. Your batch is batch number 14.
Sir, can you zoom it? We're not unable to see.
Are you able to see the screen first?
Yeah. But it's not clear.
1 minute. Yes, I will zoom it. What I'm asking here is, are you able to see the screen what I'm sharing at least?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute I will zoom it. You guys will get it clear. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Today we are going to discuss about what are software and its types, and what is software testing and software quality, and why do we need testing, why the software has bugs, and difference and definition of service and product based company. These are the some of the topics, except fourth topic we are going to discuss remaining all, because the error bug failure topic is going to be discussed in the another day, which is mentioned in the syllabus. You guys can see here we have error, bug, failure, and project and product, QA, QC. These are the some of the topics I planned specially on it. Okay, on Friday we are going to discuss it. Okay, as of now we are going to discuss these things. What are software and actually what is meant by testing? When we are calling it as the software has quality. Actually, why do we need testing? All those things are going to be discussed in the today's session. Can anyone tell what is meant by software? A generic definition. Why we call it as a software? Okay.
Like a
Software is
set of
nothing but a
programming.
set of programs
Set of programs. Okay, fine.
that help us
This is
to
the
perform
definition
a
you learned
task.
in your education. Then it's fine. Then program is nothing but
It performs a task.
yes, of course, performs a task. It is also answer, but here the software is nothing but collection of programs, right? So program is nothing but what you have written in the program, what you will write in the program is nothing but set of instructions you are writing to perform a particular task, right? Their program is nothing but set of instruction to perform a particular task. Software is nothing but a set of programs. Okay, so here you can define that software is nothing but a set of programs. Here you can see software is a collection of programs that helps us to perform a task. Okay, what is software? You guys please listen carefully. These simple topics also very important. For example, you said to your relatives that you are learning the course. Okay, unfortunately, your relative or your friend, some of your friend asked that what is meant by software. Okay, to to check your capabilities they may ask some so many people are there in our relatives, right? So at that time these things will be very helpful to you. Okay, software is a collection of programs that helps us to perform tasks. And next one is what is mean by program. Program is nothing but set of instructions is called it as a coding. Okay, so now you guys are clear with the software. Then how many types of softwares we have? Let me check if the video is recording or not. Okay, fine. Types of software. Total, we are having three types of softwares mainly. First one is system software, second one is programming software, and third one is application software. System software is nothing but whenever you buy a new laptop, you guys has to set up your laptop, right? So set up your laptop is nothing but, for example, if you want to connect Wi-Fi to your laptop, you should install the Wi-Fi driver in your laptop. If you want to take a print from your laptop by connecting the printer, you should download the printer driver. If you want to switch on your laptop or else restart your laptop, you should need operating system, right? So whatever things you want to connect, either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, whatever it is, you have to install those drivers into your laptop. Then only you guys will work with the particular task. Am I correct or not? Those device drivers, operating system drivers, servers, utilities is nothing but Wi-Fi, printer. These types of drivers is called it as a system driver, system software. And next one is programming software. Programming software is nothing but we have compilers, debuggers, interpreters, etc. Okay, these are nothing but if you already seen any programming language in BTech or degree, you guys may aware about the compilers, debuggers in the labs of C programming or C++ programming. Convert the code which is written in the English language, right? The machine can't understand that English language. We have to convert that English language into the binary code which consists the zeros and ones. Okay, here compiler helps to convert that coding language, English language, into binary language which is called it as a zeros and ones. Okay, those softwares also call it as a compilers, debuggers, and interpreters. Okay, so we are having different types of softwares for this programming like dev C++, and we have puttigen servers. We have different types of applications we have to do the programming. It's nothing but, for example, in after manual testing is completed, we are going to work with the IntelliJ software. Here you guys can see this is IntelliJ. We are going to work with this one. Okay, so this application is also called it as a compiler, that is called programming software. And next one is application software. Application software is nothing but web application, mobile apps, and desktop apps, etc. Okay, so for example, you may see some web applications like flipkart.com, amazon.com, all these types of application you may have aware about it, right? So these types of web applications, some mobile application, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, whatever applications you install on your mobile and whatever application you have installed on your desktop, all these types of applications can be called as a application software. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear about these types of softwares first? System software, programming software, application software.
Yes, sir.
And next one, what is meant by software testing? Okay, can anyone tell a generic definition what we call it as a testing, software testing?
Software is running properly or not, we need to test.
Okay. Any other definitions? Any other definitions? Okay, cool. Software testing is nothing but whether it is working as expected or not. You are expecting something that application has to be work, right? So, but if it is working as expected or if it is working as per the software requirement specification document given by the customer, okay, it is working as per the requirements or we are going to check it, and the main agenda of the software testing is to provide a quality product to the customer. That is our main agenda, right? And here you guys can see software testing is a part of software development life cycle. Okay, in previous demo sessions I explained the SDLC, and anyway in tomorrow and day after tomorrow also we are going to see the software development lifecycle methodologies. We are having two types mainly: sequential methodologies and iterative methodologies. In sequential we have waterfall model and a prototype model, and iterative model we are having the V and verification and validation model, agile model, spiral model. These types of things we have in the almost 6 to 7 types of models are there in the market. Almost we are going to see four models in our course. Okay, that four models, two models is going to be discussed in the tomorrow session, and another two models are going to be discussed on the Thursday, and then we can discuss about the bug and all those things, small topics on the Friday. On Monday onwards we are going to take a 1 hour sessions of manual testing part. Okay, so here software testing is a part of SDLC, is an activity to detect and identify the defects. Why you are detecting and identifying the defects? To provide the quality product to the customer. That is our main agenda. Okay, so for example, a particular bank came to the IT company, and this bank is given some requirements to the IT company to build a particular banking application. So after that, what they will do? They will do requirement analysis. All the given requirements are proper or not is going to be checked by the IT company, and then they will design a prototype. After prototype is approved by the bank, they are going to change from state design to the develop. After development is done, we are going to test it. That is called it as a testing. And then how can you justify the software quality? How can you justify? How the customer justify that the software has a quality? This one. If you want to impress the customer and if you want to justify that customer, these are the very important. That application should bug free, is nothing but no error is in it, no defects no defects will be there on it. And next one, the product should be delivered on time. For example, that bank is want their product by November, we should deliver by November. And within budget, the company want to complete that project in 50 lakhs, we should complete within 50 lakhs. And it should meet requirements or expectations given by the bank. Yes, it should be meet that requirements. And maintainable, it should be free to maintain, is nothing but free is nothing but flexible to maintain that application. Okay, these points will help to customer justification. If you apply for the manual testing, then you may face this interview questions: how can you justify the customer bug free, delivered on time, within budget, meet requirements or expectations, and maintainability? Okay, these are the some of the things we are having the customer justification. Actually, why do we need testing? Okay, very simple answer. to provide a quality product to the customer, we are going to do the testing. Okay, now can anyone tell what is mean by software and how many types of softwares we have? Any one of you?
Yes, system software, program software, and
Software
application
means
software.
One by one, please. Go ahead.
software means set of instructions.
Okay.
Software में set of programs, programming set of instructions.
Okay. How many types of softwares are there? Funny.
Yeah, system software, application software, and program software.
Okay, good. And any other one can tell that how can you justify the customer?
Yeah, bug free, deliver on time,
Okay.
Quality
maintenance.
product.
Okay.
within the given
within the
budget.
budget,
Okay.
and it should be maintainable.
Okay. Good. Okay. Good. What you all guys are telling is correct, but please try to frame a answer in proper way, because it's fine if you tell like this for me, but in interview if you try to frame your answer in clear, then it will be helpful to you to understand that interviewer, and there will be good scope to select you if you give the proper answers in the good sentence. Okay. So next we are going to see next topic we are going to see why the software has bugs. Why the software has bugs? The first and foremost reason for that software has bugs is miscommunication or no communication. Okay, for example, that customer came to the software company, and who will listen the requirements from the customer first? Product owner and business analyst are the two persons mostly involved in the listening the requirements from the customer. Once those people are listen the requirements, there is a one scrum meeting in the agile methodology. The scrum master will handle that meet. The scrum master will communicate with all people, developer, tester, and product owner, business analyst, and all these four categories of people are together, and the scrum master will discuss about that what are the features, what is going to be developed in this particular sprint. Don't confuse the new words scrum master and sprint. These things are going to be discussed in the agile methodology. Don't worry about it all. Okay, that is the flow, how we are getting the requirements and how we are doing the requirement analysis. If that miscommunication is happened between the developer and tester, or else if there is no communication between the developer and tester, then there will be a chance of to having a bugs. And the software complexity is nothing but few applications have large number of features. Like if you have IRCTC application, train ticket booking, it's very difficult. It's have a large huge number of features they have in it, right? So in these types of application we may have some errors. And next one, programming errors is nothing but sometimes the developer forgot to write something in the program, then it may cause some programming errors. And change requirements, by changing the requirements frequently also we are getting some bugs. Lack of skilled tester is nothing but we are having only a few member of skilled tester in the same team. Sometimes the other people are working but they are not in depth, right? In those scenarios also we may face the bugs. Okay, these are the some of the way to identify that software has bugs: miscommunication, software complexity, programming errors, changing requirements, and lack of skilled tester. These are the some of the causes for the software has bugs. And next one is service based company and product based company. Can anyone tell what companies is called it as a service based companies and what uh, companies is called it as a product based companies? Any one of you?
Amazon and Google, Microsoft, these are product-based companies.
Okay.
Mm,
Those companies who providing
Capgemini,
services, those are service companies.
Okay. Okay, good. What are providing the services? It's called it as a service based company. What type of services those are? What type of services those are? Am I audible? Here you can see two types of companies we have: service based companies and product based companies. Okay, in service based companies they provide the service and develop software for other companies. Okay, but product, what they will do, they will develop the software for their companies, their own. They are going to develop a software and they are going to sell it for the many companies to make a profit. We'll tell an example. Here you can see service based company is nothing but TCS is a service based company. They are doing projects for the other companies. But Tata, Tata is a product company because the Tata is having the cars, right? The car is a product they are making for themselves and they are selling it to the many people. Okay, that is called it as a product. In similarly, for example, now you guys are attended this meeting in the GoTo meeting. Okay, this GoTo meeting is developed by the GoTo meeting company and they are going to sell it to the many people, like a Zoom, Teams, Microsoft Teams, Amazon AWS cloud servers. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's the difference between service and product based companies. Okay. So this is for today, and tomorrow we can discuss what are SDLC and their models, and waterfall model and spiral model and their advantages and disadvantages. Here I tell, right, sequential and iterative two models are there: waterfall model and V model, spiral, agile, and prototype. But in our course, we are going to see only these four models. Very, very important. Out of 100%, 90% people are using the agile methodologies now. Okay. So we'll discuss very clearly tomorrow. This tomorrow class is very, very important. These models class is very, very important. As a tester or as developer or as DevOps engineer, whoever it is, these models are very, very important. Okay. Okay, cool. Today, what topics we seen in this introduction? What are software and its types? What is software testing? And why we are calling it as the software as quality is nothing but how can we justify that customer that the software has quality? Actually, why do we need testing? And why the software has bugs? Difference and definition of service and product-based companies. We have discussed these topics in the introduction. Tomorrow we can discuss the software development life cycles. Any more doubts so far? What I explained?
Sir, can you explain one more? What is software complexity in
Software
software has complexity,
software
complexity.
complexity is nothing but, for example, what we can say. Okay, we'll tell an example. For example, there is a land. Okay, in that land, if you want to construct an independent house, it is very easy to construct. Am I correct or not? But if you want to construct an apartment, will it takes time? Is it or not?
Yes, yes,
Why it take time? Because the apartment is a complexity as compared with the independent house. Independent house you can take one or two floors, and as per our plan we can construct it very easily. But coming to the apartment, we have to take the strong pillars and I have to take the plan of that 5 floors or 6 floors, and each floor how many flats should be. Have to take a lot of functionalities available in the apartment, right? Balconies, windows, and all the lot of stuff will be there in the apartment. Am I correct or not?
yes, sir, yes,
In similar way, softwares also, if you have the less features, okay, for example, there is a Book My Show application. It's a small application. We don't have much functionalities in it. But yeah, you guys can compare that Book My Show functionality with the IRCTC application. IRCTC, you have a lot of functionalities, right? Tatkal ticket booking and normal train ticket booking and some food related stuff, and train bogie you guys are booking as a group of members. Well, a lot of features you can explore that applications. You may have an idea if you haven't explored that. Getting?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay, that is the difference between the software complexibility of that applications. Okay, anyway, when you are into the real time applications in the companies, then you can have an idea about it. Okay, don't worry. Any more doubts? Aarti, Satish, Madhavi, Hyder Ali, Funny, Kusuma.
No, it's clear.
Okay,
No, sir.
I'm
I'm
going
good.
to
Um,
share that material. I will share that material in the group which created by Institute. Please go through it when you guys are free in today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Thank you all for joining on time. I'm expecting same time in the tomorrow session as well. Please don't delay. Have a nice day. Thank you all.